welcome to Cooking with Claire. I am Claire Olson, the Senior Corporate Chef at Newlyweds Foods. It is August, and this month we are focusing on bakery and desserts. Even though it is August and we are still enjoying what is left of the summer, before you know it, fall and the holidays will be here. And what goes hand in hand with those seasons? Baking and desserts, of course. So with the help of our bakery team here at Newlyweds Foods, we've put together a few fun and really delicious desserts for you to hang on to and to be ready for when it's time to start baking. So first and foremost, we worked on a cookie recipe. Cookie exchanges are really popular during the holiday season. So for you today here, we made a 5-spice cookie with a lemongrass frosting using both a Newlyweds Foods 5-spice and lemongrass seasoning. One of my absolute favorite desserts is carrot cake. And of course, the best part about that is the cream cheese frosting. So we've put together for you a carrot cake whoopie pie with fresh cream cheese frosting using a Newlyweds Foods carrot cake mix. I think that the next dessert was probably the most fun to make out of all of the desserts. We made a blueberry and citrus phyllo dough crinkle cake using a Newlyweds Foods citrus seasoning in the custard. The next dessert that we have for you is a little bit on the lighter side, which is going to be perfect for after a really big meal. We have a lemon and coconut pound cake with fresh whipped cream using a Newlyweds Foods pound cake mix. And last but certainly not least is one of my absolute favorite flavor combinations, chocolate and coffee. We made a coffee cheesecake using a Newlyweds Foods chocolate ancho seasoning in the crust and covered it with a delicious rich chocolate ganache. Well, that wraps up this month's Cooking with Claire, all about baking and desserts. We hope that we have inspired you to try something new and fun in the kitchen. If you have any questions or are interested in any more information, please feel free to reach out to me. We'll see you guys next time.